Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Taylor Dunn. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're not new here, connect the hearts. Welcome back to my channel. This week is going to be a maintenance vlog, but today is Monday and it's pouring down raining, and y'all already know what that means. It's time to ground. I know that this is a maintenance vlog, but it's no better way to start the week off with grounding and cleansing your energy. Okay, like, if y'all been watching my channel for a long time, then y'all know I'm big on grounding, I'm big on cleansing my energy, I'm big on nature, I'm big on God. Like, if you know, you know. And it's just like God works in amazing ways, because he makes it rain after my 3-day fast so I can cleanse my energy some more. Like, God is amazing, and that's the best way to start this vlog off. Okay, no tea, no shade. But this is a maintenance vlog, classmate, which is like a very close friend to me, which is literally like a brother. His funeral is Saturday, so we have to do maintenance. And we're also just doing maintenance too, because like I look a mess. Like, these braids are old. It's time to take them down. Okay, but I get my lashes did in the morning at 9:30 a.m. and I'll probably do my nails tomorrow too. I will see you guys when it's time to get my lashes. I just came in to start this vlog with positive energy, high vibrations, and you should do the same. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It's finally time to really start this maintenance vlog. I just had to start the vlog off with good energy, okay? But today is Tuesday. It's 9:10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm fixing to head to the gym, because that is a part of your maintenance. Okay? Work that body, baby. Work that body. But I get my lashes did at 10. So we finna go to the gym and get a really quick workout. I'm supposed to be in left house. Don't mind me. Okay, I did my edges. I got my gym fit on. Body team. Okay, I'll show y'all that later. But let's go ahead and get to the gym, baby, because I'm late already. I'm a C4, but somebody had already drunk it in my house, so I'm just drinking the rest of it, which is a good thing, because I don't need the whole C4 anyway. It makes you like super jittery. So there's that. But I don't know what kind of music I'm feeling, like how I'm feeling, like what I'm feeling like. I don't know what I'm feeling like. Let me figure it out. Hold on. Never I can take you anywhere. Maybe you're my life, but I only want you. Y'all, I'm driving and eating, trying to take pictures. Driving and trying to take pictures. I didn't even eat my banana. Then piss myself clean off. It's 9:30, but luckily y'all get my lashes did like literally it's right by my gym, so that's the best part. Hello. I just got to the gym. I get my lashes did at alright, y'all, let's get to the gym. My mom on the phone, y'all. She called me, but let's go get us a quick workout, y'all. Y'all, I just finished my workout. I'm tired, but body's so tea. Let me show y'all. Body so tea. I was gonna wash my face, but I didn't bring my towel to wash my face, so whatever. I'm fixing to drink my protein shake. I'm finna get our lashes did. I come in my lash second phone. Is she cool, y'all? Is you cool? Is you cool? You gotta come back from a trip, baby. You been with your friends all weekend.
I'm on the phone with my auntie.
Oh my bad. Get these lashes did.
Look, Tay, Zana was so. We were still drunk that morning.
Y'all hear her voice? She going in the vlog. Because what? No, you had a time. A time. Look. Y'all, I got my lashes a little longer this time. They is so tea.
Now you see the difference from one side and the other side.
Hold it, focus. Focus. Oh yeah. These so freaking cute. Good morning. Y'all probably like, girl, that hair, but y'all know I cut my hair last year. Look how much it has grown. The afro is throwing and I love that for me. Okay, I need to brush my lashes. Hold on. Okay, I'm supposed to get my hair did today, y'all. My wig did not come in time, so let's start there. My wig is not coming. I don't know when it's coming. Every time I track it, it just say like awaiting shipment. Like every day it says that, like irritating me. So since the funeral is tomorrow, I'm gonna have to do a ponytail just until my wig comes. I know I'm talking a little weird, y'all, but it's because I'm trying to get used to my permanent brush being in my mouth or whatever. But yeah, so the next time y'all see me, we'll be getting our hair did. Fingers crossed. And my sister's supposed to do my eyebrows, so let's hope for the best, y'all. Just think about it. I need to do my nails. Don't be like me and pop your nails off. It's really not a good thing. But this is about me. Like, I'm gonna do it because I'm mean. But you do not pop your nails off. That is not a good thing. But I'm gonna do some duck nails. I really need to do my toes, but I probably wait to do my toes. So I'm fixing to do me some duck nails. So let's go do the duck nails. I don't know.
Just go ahead and tell you at this.
Y'all, I totally forgot I have to do my nails while I'm sitting here telling y'all about. Ew, is it focusing? Y'all, while I'm sitting here talking about my hair, I need to get my nails. I need to do my nails. So we fixing to do the foundation to my nails. I am gonna do duck nails. I want me some duck nails so bad. Like so bad. So we're gonna do duck nails. Yeah, I'm super excited. I have one nail stuck on my freaking hand. It's irritating.
My nail.
Y'all see that duck shape? Now I gotta do the other hand.
Yeah, I thought I see it.
Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
Now, I just did one hand of my nails. They so tea. Look at this, y'all. My hands are ashy. I ain't put no lotion on yet. But y'all, look at my nails. I'm ashy, but nails very much tea. I haven't did my other side, y'all, because I gotta get my hair did. So we'll finish this other side when I finish getting my hair did. Okay, thank you. Alright, I'll just put a little oil on now so they won't look so ashy. They so tea though.
Much to change. You believe in angles more than angels. Feel like I've been going through too much to explain to you, but I'm still the same way I was when I came to you. Everything I have, what I had to exchange for you. Everything I've been through, I can't even complain to you. Wish it stayed the same for you. Sorry.
Y'all, it is 10:09 p.m. I'm tired, but we finna get some Waffle House. That way when I go home I can just go to bed because I got so much to do tomorrow. So thank you. I don't know what I want.
You know what you like to drink?
Give me can I get orange juice, please?
Oranges?
Yeah. I know what I want. Yeah, my battery is going dead, but my hair is super cute. It's cute or whatever. But my battery is going dead. So I will talk to y'all once my food come out.
Still hear every like when it's called something, you still hear it.